How to use Lalamove for food delivery. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Lalamove for food delivery. First of all, open up the Lalamove app. Once you get into its app, select your account type, like you want an individual or business account. Then tap on the individual option and create a personal account now. To create your personal account, you need to enter your email, phone number, and password. After that, take the checkbox and click to sign up. Also, you can sign up with Google or Facebook accounts. So if you tap on Google, choose your account to continue. Once you get into your Lalamove account, click on Pickup Location. Then, you can search for any location in here like food, and pick any restaurant you want to place the order from. After picking up the restaurant, enter your address details, like floor or unit number, then enter your phone number, name, and click to confirm. After that, you have to select the drop-off location. Here you can choose the location where you want to deliver the order. Then enter the proper address and click to confirm. Also, you can set the pickup time to now or later. If you choose the later option, you have to enter the day, date, and time for it. After selecting the day and date, then put it on schedule. Now it's time to pick the vehicle. Let's say we pick a courier. You can also choose their additional service, like I chose the thermal bag option from here. Then place order and wait while your driver is assigned to you. Once the driver has been assigned, await a phone call from the driver to confirm your order. Relax and wait for the food and the delivery to be completed. You can track your driver's location with our real-time tracking function. Once your order is successfully completed, rate your driver or even add him into your favorite drivers list. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.